Welcome back to the weekend edition of the Arizona Daily Mix and our special Hometown Heroes Toy Drive special that we're doing here. And you know, we've been doing this for 5 years, and it's always nice when we have partners like the Accident Law Group who help us make sure that our military men and women and our first responders children have toys. Joe Brown's here. And Joe, who's with you?
This is Abigail.
Yeah, I think this
Hi,
is
Abigail.
our second or third year having Abigail with us. So
I think it's at least our second. She's been on a couple of times.
yeah.
She likes to join me sometimes. She thinks she's going to be on TV someday.
Well, she's doing a great job right now. So, and you know what? I'm glad that she's there because you know how important children are and how important they have a special Christmas is, don't you?
This is very, very important to us. I mean, I think Christmas is the best time of year to be a child. It's special. You know, we do this because we want to make sure the kids are taken care of. You know, obviously this year is even more crucial than others with COVID and people not being able to work, you know, and food banks are overflowing with requests. Obviously, if they can't afford food, they're not going to be able to afford toys, and no child should go wake up in the morning from Christmas without anything from their parents.
Yeah, and I know right now with this pandemic, we're doing things differently, like our Zooming here, which is kind of cool because your clients that you talk to over the Zoom still want to participate, still want to be a part of this, and even older clients are going, hey, Joe, remember a couple of years ago I partook? Can I still partake? And you are inviting them to do that, aren't you?
Oh yeah, yeah. I mean, we have offices that are open. They can drop off gifts, or can connect with us via the phone or the internet or the website or email. I mean, we're here to help. This is important to us. You know, we had a big, huge, collection last year. We're going to get the same thing out today.
Yeah.
Sorry, Abigail. Abigail, she helped pick out a few toys last year, so I'm sure this year she'll help us do the same, so someone can have something special under their tree.
Yeah. Abigail, isn't this great that you guys are helping out other kids?
Yeah,
So, and why is that important?
because kids are important to have food and oxygen and water.
Yeah. So, and it's very important. They have the toys too. She's great. Joe, I'll tell you, you know how important this community is, especially our first responders. I know over the summer you did a big drive for them. You served them lunch and stuff. And again, you want to make sure you're giving back in a great way.
You know, first responders are there for us when we need them. My brother was overseas for a couple Christmases. So, that part's near and dear to my heart. I helped out. He sent me the list, and I went and did the shopping for him for my niece and nephew. So I think all of these things are it's just part of who we are at Accident Law Group. So it's very near and dear to our heart, as well as important to us to give back when we can. And this is a time when people really need it, and we're here to definitely step up and help out. We're lucky to be blessed.
Well, we're lucky to have you as one of our partners here. And again, remind people how they can get a hold of you and if they want to donate through your company.
You can reach out to us, accidentlawgroup.com, or dial **ALG from your mobile phone, and that'll connect you right to our front desk.
Well, perfect. Joe, thank you very much for joining us. Thanks for being a part of this. And again, we thank you out there for being a part of our Desert Financial Credit Union Hometown Hero Toys Drive. And remember, go to aztv.com/hometownheroes to donate.